car is looking pretty good. I don't even want to trade right now. We just cleaned it up yesterday, so it's super glossy, and the weather and the lighting right now is just completely perfect. This is Scott, guys. Say hi, Scott.
Hey.
Oh shoot, there's a car coming. So Scott owns this SRT. He owned this M4 before I did, so oh yeah, thank you very much. Check out this key, it's so cool. Anyways, I don't know if you want to move it to that side because I don't know if you can park here.
It's fine.
It's fine? Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay, man. Take it easy.
All right.
See you later. Okay. Damn.
Oh.
Every time it gets me.
Well, can't help but smile.
Yeah.
The SRT?
Or the range. No, but it really comes down to SRT or the GT350, guys. Which one would you choose? So
What would you choose?
what would I choose? I would probably choose the Mustang, to be honest with you. Yeah. So they're both so nice. Like, all right, let's roll some B-roll right here.
I'll probably like run out actually real quick to put this up. Hey guys, so I guess today's video we're just doing the review on the Summer Daily Driver. If you haven't already, if you don't know where the fuck, like block that out.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh shit, I should have just fucking did it. You're gonna block that out later.
It's all good. Take
no,
two.
Let's restart.
Yeah, no problem.
Just like, you know, you're on Dom's motherfucking channel, alright? It's a great time. Just subscribe, and then you'll be entering great videos of daily dosage of awesome cars and some good times. We're just driving the Summer Daily, which is the Shelby GT350. If you guys have any other questions about owning it or like maintenance or that kind of stuff, just hit up the comment section below, throw in some likes, and then we'll go from there. Bought it February 2017, picked it up end of March, just beginning of May, where I could drive it. I've had it since, so it's already been a year and a couple of months.
What car did you own before this?
So I actually had a 2016. Yeah, I actually had a 2016 F-150. Believe it or not, guys, I used to have a truck. F-150, 50th anniversary. I only kept it for 3 months. And then I said goodbye to that because I didn't need a truck. Before that was a 2009 Cobalt SS, full bolt-ons. We'll probably attach a description of the car doing a pull below. Then you can go check that little video out or whatever. And decided I wanted a Mustang, mostly to compete with my brother's 2016 GTR. If you haven't checked that one out, check below in the comment section or comment info. We got it, picked it up, and it's been a great car since. Second time buying new, and never regret a decision. The S550 chassis is a great chassis.
So what are your current mods?
Right now, Anderson Composite, wicker bill, and the Anderson Composite rear diffuser, all in carbon. Definitely had to step it up, aggressively step up the look on the rear. Front end was great with the factory splitter splitters, side splitters. Yeah, and that's my only mod so far. The rest of it's stock. I probably plan on straight piping this thing. You know, gotta do it for the gram. And then yeah, maybe possibly a pro charger, guys. I don't know. Hit me up with some ideas. There's already one guy north of us, an hour and a half, near King City. He's got a twin turbo kit on by Hellion. Pretty rowdy shit. I've heard tuning's a mess because you can't control all the boost levels compared to like a pulley or whatnot. But if anyone's got any more great info to like help me make my decision, just go ahead and get the comment section live and active. Other things too is definitely want to change like all these centerpieces to maybe carbon fiber. Definitely get a shorter shifter, maybe even change the shifter knob itself. Possibly maybe look into change this to Alcantara. Definitely my good thing. I love the Alcantara steering wheel, guys, but honestly, I don't know about everyone else who has Alcantara. It is such a pain to upkeep.
I think it's pronounced Alcantara, bro. Alcantara? Is that I think it's Alcantara.
I thought it was Alcantara. How does I sound?
Google Street.
Yeah.
Alcantara.
Alcantara. I was like saying Elantra or something.
I forget.
Alcantara.
Alcantara.
Alcantara. My voice.
Yeah.
Alcantara it is.
Yeah. I think that's what it's called.
I don't know. Like, I'm not
but they get the idea.
Yeah.
We're good. All right.
So I am actually might look into changing this into perforated leather with the carbon fiber and keep the flat bottom, of course. Yeah, just for me, my 2 cents. Like, it's great. It's nice and soft. It's an awesome feature. I just as like a summer daily driver, I just can't. I'm too maybe OCD about keeping this thing clean. You can already see the light wearness even on this leather shifter right here. So I probably would change this into like a graphite blacked out shifter with some red details. Definitely don't know what color scheme I want to go with on the interior, but if you guys think I should keep that factory black on red, definitely look going. I'm all for it. Don't know if I want to go blue or any other colors. But yeah, those are some future planned mods for sure.